Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to contact the TikTok support team. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So let's jump right straight in. All right guys, so we're going to start. So you visit business.tiktok.com, then this is going to take you to Business Center login page. So normally we're already logged in to the Business Center. So that's why you can go to Business Center. If not, if we're not logged in, you'll see a login and a sign up button. So if this is your first time, we have a video that will teach you how to set up your account on Business Center. So visit the description section of this video to access that guide and so many other exclusive content for TikTok, Business Center, and Ads Manager. All right, so since we're already logged in, so you click on Go to Business Center. If you're not, you're going to find a login button and a sign up button. So you click on the login because for you to want to contact support team through Business Center, you must have already gotten an account. So it's either you're logging in or you're going to Business Center. So we click on Go to Business Center. So we select the Business Center we want to work on. You could also create a new one there. All right, so next we're looking for the help button. So normally you'll find them here. Okay, you see this icon where there's a question mark inside of a circle. So you then click on advertiser support particularly. Okay, so you can select what is best you properly classify your issue. So for those of you who are having maybe verification delay, you specify TikTok Business Center or ad account. Okay, so that is how properly categorize what issue you are facing. Is going to help you to get better response. Okay, so for mine is regarding, I want to contact them regarding billing and payment. Okay, so I can select this one, transaction and balance. Okay, so you input your ticket title, you add your first name, then describe your issue clearly. You could also include support screenshots or images or video, but particularly screenshot is what they said there. Then your account name, then your account ID, your country, your preferred language, your email address, optional. Then you're going to answer all of these questions that you submit. So we're going to fill all of this now and submit. Done filling in all the details, then we hit the submit. So we hit the submit button, then we confirm. We'll click on the confirm. So you can see ticket submitted. So just in case you have difficulties doing all of this, you can contact us to get help or book a consultation with one of our experts. So you're going to give it some time, check every 6 hours, but maximum within 2 days, you should get a response from them and you can engage them and discuss about your issue. Then your problem will be resolved. We've actually contacted them before and the support team was actually good. TikTok, from the experience we had so far, changes might actually occur in future. So if TikTok should tell you wait for within 2 to 3 days, contact them after 3 days. Okay, so don't contact them before the projected timeline they gave to you. So this is just a recommendation for whatever you want to do while speaking to their support team. All right, guys, so feel free to visit the description section to access more resources that will help you to succeed in your business using TikTok ads and other digital marketing resources we have to share with you. See you guys in our next video and bye for now. Cheers.